To figure out your horoscope, start by finding out your zodiac sign or sun sign. Your zodiac sign is determined by what time of the year you were born. For example, if you were born between December 22nd and January 19th, your sign is Capricorn. Once you know your sign, look up what kinds of personality traits are associated with it. For instance, people born under Virgo are thought to be thoughtful and analytical, while those with the Cancer as their sign have a reputation for being unpredictable and adventurous. Once you know your sign, you can find your horoscope by looking at a newspaper, magazine, or astrology website. Typically, horoscopes are either daily, weekly, or monthly. Locate the horoscope prediction associated with your sign. As you read it, try to think of ways that the predictions and advice in the horoscope apply to what's going on in your life right now. For example, if your horoscope says that now is a good time to pursue romantic relationships, consider asking your crush out on a date. You can also learn more about your horoscope by reading an astrology chart. These charts show the positions of the sun, the moon, and other celestial bodies at the exact time and date of your birth. You can either create a chart using an astrology website or have one made for you by a professional astrologer. Using your chart, you can figure out things like your rising sign, or the sign that was rising on the eastern horizon at the moment of your birth, as well as your dominant house, which is the section of the chart where your rising sign is located. Since reading an astrology chart can be complicated, ask a professional to help you, or pick up an astrology book from your local bookstore or local library for more information.